Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a good old Louis Vuitton haul. If you watched my last video where I previewed the Louis Vuitton Game On collection pieces that had arrived at my local boutique, you would have seen there was a lot of beautiful, beautiful pieces. And if you haven't had a chance to watch the video, I'll go ahead and link it up right here so you can check it out. And I had no intentions to really purchasing anything. I had thought of one piece in particular, which I ended up not buying, and ended up buying a few other things such as this, and this, and this, and this. I also ordered another piece that was not in store, and as soon as I get that, I will share it with you. But for today, let's go ahead and see what I picked up. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel, and I hope that you enjoy the content. If you do, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, let's get right into it. If you followed me for a while, you know that one of the things that I love on top of all of the beautiful luxury items is the packaging. And I have to say that Louis Vuitton did not disappoint with their Game On collection packaging. This is what the bags look like. This is one side, it's got the beautiful heart with the colors and it says Louis Vuitton. The other side looks like this. And then the sides of the bag are the stunning monogram in all of the different colors. And this is just so pretty. I love the attention to detail. The straps are fabric, just like their regular bags. However, one is red and the other one is black. So the packaging is just really, really beautiful. All right, enough about packaging. Let's get into it. I am going to go ahead and start with the smallest item and move up to the largest. And well, this is just a little chocolate little chocolates that they gifted me, which I immediately ate, even though I am supposed to be on the COVID-19 weight loss because I did gain the 10 pounds, but we won't talk about that. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. Just the regular orange box with the ribbon, and then this beautiful card with the heart and Louis Vuitton, and it is beautiful. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened it since I got them home last night, so let's go ahead and do it together. I feel bad about taking off the ribbon as usual, but what are you gonna do? And this is the smallest piece I picked up. Comes in the drawer box. You have the little dust bag. Any guesses to reveal? The beautiful card holder. It is so stunning. When I saw it yesterday, I had to pick it up. So the front of the card holder is like a plain card with the LV and the heart and the fleur-de-lis. The back is the gorgeous monogram print. So pretty. It has two slip pockets on the back. And then, of course, the middle opens up and you can also put cards in there. And let's see. This is coated fabric with cowhide leather exterior. And I'm going to give you the codes. This is the code for the item, and I will go ahead and insert the codes below. But this is the card holder. I am not a card holder person. I really don't use them that much, but when I see pieces that it really stand out, I have to grab them, and I just really, really loved this piece. first pickup from the haul. Next piece is right in this box, same packaging, and I think I know what this is. And this is something that I have been addicted to, but I have been really, really good in not purchasing anymore lately because I do have a large collection. Again, the drawer box with the dust bag. And any guesses on this? This is one of the beautiful, beautiful keychains or bag charms. Again, with the beautiful card, plain card in the front. The detail on this is beautiful. I'm going to do a close-up. It has the regular clasp on the top in gold. It says Louis Vuitton right there. It's got monogram on this right here where you can go ahead and open this up and make it longer or shorter. It has the gold ring right here if you want to use this as a keychain. And then the back is monogram. This is really, really stunning. And I have a nice collection of bag charms or keychains, however you want to call it. And I really put a halt on my purchasing of these because I just had too many. But when the store director showed this to me, she knew what she was doing because she sold me on it. It is really, really stunning. Giving you a close-up so you can see the details. And then here is the back. I don't know if I have an item number for this one, and I don't. If anyone is interested, I am happy to find, actually it's probably on my receipt, so I will go ahead and insert the code right here on the screen. But this is the second piece that I picked up, and it is just so adorable. Next up is this one, and I was surprised I picked this up. This is an item that this particular type of item launched, I don't know if it was a year ago or 2 years ago, and I've always thought that it was very cute, but I never have pulled the trigger on it. However, I guess it's the pattern, you know, this fun Game On collection pattern is really so pretty. It's so happy. It just makes you feel good. And unfortunately, it made me feel a little too good while I was in the store. So here it is. Right here. Any guesses? And this is the Kirigami. So pretty. Look at this. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I do have the item number right here. And again, I will go ahead and put it in the description box, but here is the Kirigami in the black with the beautiful monogram in colors. And it has a black interior, made in France. Inside it has the next pouch, which is in white with the beautiful monogram, the gold button, also with a black interior. And then of course, last but not least, the baby right here, also with the gold button, the black interior, and actually here is probably more visible. So like I said, when these originally released, I thought they were very cute, but I just never, ever, ever decided to purchase them. But this pattern, I don't know what happened to me. I went ahead and picked these up. So this is the other thing that I picked up, and I think they're just super adorable. And for those of you that have these in whatever pattern, what do you use them for? Go ahead and let me know. Give me some ideas. Last but not least is this right here. Again, unexpected. If you know me, you probably thought I was getting a Neverfull because I absolutely love them, and I have to say, I thought the Neverfulls were amazing. The black and the white with that microfiber interior and the outside pocket, gorgeous. The Speedy D25 with the black handles, amazing. However, I picked this up right here. I don't know if you have any guesses based on the size, but I decided to pick up the beautiful, beautiful Vanity case. And look at this. This is so adorable. It comes with a beautiful clochette that has a heart and the LV in gold, a black handle. I went ahead and chose the black or noir. It has the 4 feet at the bottom, comes with a beautiful, beautiful lock, which you went ahead and put it on for me. And then it's got the zipper opening. Inside, the beautiful microfiber interior, along with the strap, which is really, I think, what sold me. This is what the strap looks like. It is stunning. It is gold and it's intertwined with black leather. It's just gorgeous. Very substantial. And it's like 3-dimensional. So just so pretty. And again, this one was made in Italy, and that's what the interior looks like. And here is the item number. And so this concludes my Louis Vuitton haul. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of my choices? Are you picking something up from this collection? Did my video help you to decide if you want to run out and get something or if you are content not getting anything? Please share your thoughts down below. And as soon as I receive the other piece that I ordered, I will share it with you. In the meantime, let me know what your thoughts are and have a great rest of the day. See you soon and stay safe. Bye.